Hello, I am Purnendu Sinha, Chair of the Manufacturing Working Group of Future Tech Panel, IET India. It is our pleasure to bring to you video bites on different topics pertinent to Industry 4.0 or smart manufacturing. Our purpose is to explain concepts and highlight benefits that you, as a senior leader in an MSME, can expect from deploying Industry 4.0 technologies and solutions in your respective industry. We'll bring you a series of about 10 of these video bites as prepared by my fellow members of the Manufacturing Working Group. As we all embrace Atmanirbhar Bharat program to become globally competitive and efficient in our manufacturing operations, it is critical to understand how smart manufacturing technologies and solutions will help you address and achieve your business KPIs by implementing some of the use cases which are relatively quicker to deploy and cost effective. If you are from any of the following industry sectors: automotive component, food processing, electronics, and textile, then you would find many references to implemented use cases where company like yours would have benefited. World Economic Forum, in partnership with McKinsey, studied about 1,000 manufacturing companies in the world, and I have identified 69 lighthouse factories which have shown exemplary performance, deploying about 110 use cases. The global lighthouse factory network includes SMEs as well. For example, many lighthouse factories have reported up to 25% improvement in KPIs such as overall equipment effectiveness increase, productivity increase, energy efficiency, to name a few. We recommend that you refer to the latest reports published by World Economic Forum on the subject. From the Manufacturing Working Group, we have also strived to put together a series of white papers which describe some of the key smart manufacturing relevant technologies and use cases which could be realized using such technologies and solutions which are readily available in India at cost-effective price. We strongly believe that the full benefit of Industry 4.0 in manufacturing can only be realized if complete value chain and production ecosystem are transformed, including all geographies and SMEs, which are contributing about 50 to 60% of value add. Thank you for listening. We look forward to your feedback, comments. Please do share your thoughts and topics that you would like us to cover, and we'll consider them in future video bites.